Good morning, LKG class. Today we read page number 27. O. O says O. Read and understand. OSTRICH, ostrich. OST, ost, RICH, rich, ostrich. OWL, owl. OWL, owl. OX, ox. OX, ox. ONION, onion. ONION, onion. OMELETTE, omelette. OMELETTE, omelette. OCTOPUS, pus, octopus. OCTOPUS, octopus. Read again. Ostrich, owl, ox, onion, omelette, octopus. Write the small letter O in the blanks. Write small letter O in the blanks. OCTOPUS, octopus. OSTRICH, ostrich. OMELETTE, omelette. OX, ox. OWL, owl. ONION, onion. Read page number 27. Thank you. Have a nice day.